Want to customize your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 network? It's easier than you think. First, ensure your device is connected to your Spectrum Wi-Fi, ideally via Ethernet for the initial setup. Open a web browser and type in your router's IP address. This is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.100.1. Check the sticker on your router or Spectrum's support page for the exact address for models like the Aris SBG7600AC2 or Hitron Ciota 4582U. If you're unsure, use the command prompt, Windows, or Terminal, macOS Linux, and type ipconfig or ifconfig to find your default gateway. Once you've found the address, you'll need to log in. The default username is often admin, and the password might be password or admin. Remember, these are case sensitive. For security, Spectrum recommends changing these immediately. Some models may have unique credentials printed on the router. Heads up, too many failed login attempts might lock you out. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the wireless settings. Here, you can change your SSID, which is your network name that appears when devices search for Wi-Fi networks. You can also update your Wi-Fi password to something strong and unique. For security, select WPA3 as the security mode if all your devices support it, as it's the most advanced encryption available. Next, you can adjust channel selection. The auto setting works well for most situations, but if you're in a busy area with many nearby routers, manually selecting a channel on the 5 GHz band can help reduce interference and improve performance. Setting up a guest network is straightforward and provides a separate Wi-Fi access point for visitors. This keeps your main network secure while still allowing guests to use the internet. Wi-Fi 6 uses advanced technologies like OFDMA, which divides channels into smaller subchannels for more efficient data handling, and MU-MIMO, which allows the router to communicate with multiple devices simultaneously without wasting bandwidth. Don't forget to regularly update your router's firmware to apply security patches and protect against vulnerabilities. Disable remote management unless you absolutely need it, and always use strong, unique passwords to prevent unauthorized access.